Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I have a haul video for you today. This is my Rosegirls Custom order and I got it, when was it delivered? I think it was delivered last Monday. Today's a Saturday, so it's delivered just this past Monday, so like 6 days ago. I filmed it once and I didn't like the quality of it, so I'm refilming it. But then also I haven't been feeling well, so it's taken me a while to get this recorded. I don't know if you guys have ever had this, but I've been on antibiotics, and the antibiotics are giving me like flu-like symptoms, so that like come and go. So the morning I'm usually good, but then near like late afternoon, evening, I start feeling like blah. So I don't know. Let me go ahead and jump right in, and I will show you what I got. So first, Jenny sent a card, and it just inside says, you know, thanks for your order. So I thought that was really cute. And I got 3 samples. So the first one is lemon poppy seed cake and strawberry rhubarb. And I guess I can take, oh, this one isn't even sealed. I must have opened it. I'll take the chunks out for you. So Rosegirls is known for having some of the prettiest chunks of wax, but this smells great. You can smell the lemon and kind of like the bakery note, the cake, I guess. And the strawberry rhubarb is on the, like, is kind of the secondary note in this. And the rhubarb, to me, when I smell strawberry rhubarb scents, they do have a little bit of a, like a green note to them. So I can pick up on that a little bit in that, but it smells really good. And next is strawberry, raspberry, guava, and blonde moment. I'll take this out for you as well. It smells really good. Blonde moment goes great with fruit scents. So there's that chunk. It's really pretty. I love it. And that's exactly what it smells like. It's strawberry, raspberry, guava, and blonde moment. So, really good. I'm gonna get wax all over my fingers. And this is summer sorbet. And these might look a little messy because I did film this once and now I'm refilming it. But everything that I got, it was packaged really well. It came looking very good, but I know with just them getting moved around since I've gotten them, they're starting to look a little messy, and it's kind of warm here. Oh, this smells really good. Summer sorbet. It's very like fruity, kind of berryish. That smells really good. What's in this? I recognize one of the fragrances in this. Oh, sorry. Here, I'll put this here. I don't have the scent description. Oh, but this is really good. Okay. I'm gonna put this away. This is a good one. Okay, so got the samples. And then the cheapest option for blending when you do the custom order is to do the 4-pack of muffins. I think it's like $12 to do the 4-pack of muffins. So, and I did 5 of those. And that's kind of like if you're not too sure if you're gonna love a scent or not, but you do want to do something that you can blend, then this is a good option to go. So I'll go ahead and show you those. This first one is wild berry, orange sherbet, marshmallow smoothie. And you can see the pretty colors. The lighting is kind of, I have my blinds open. I'm wondering if I should close them to make a little bit better lighting. But you can see they're really pretty colors. I'm not going to take the muffins out just because I think they're a little hard to take in and out, and it'll get the bags kind of messy. But this smells really good. You have that nice creamy orange sherbet, and then the marshmallow smoothie on top of that. That's kind of what I get the most. And I'm smelling a little bit of kind of the wild berry note, but it smells really good. So I have 4 of those. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. I'm going to end up covering up the thank you card. This one is raspberry sauce mango sorbet, whipped cream, and there's again 4 of these. This one's got a little smudgy, but it's like a nice kind of raspberry pink, yellow, and white. And at the time I placed this order, it was June, so I was definitely very into kind of like getting fruity scents. This is good. The raspberry sauce is really good. It's like just a kind of a tart and sweet raspberry. And I'm getting mostly the raspberry sauce and the whipped cream right now. And a little bit of the mango. It's really good. But right now, like, okay, so today it's supposed to be up to 102 where I live. So Southern California is definitely not in fall season yet. We had a couple cool-ish days the last couple weeks, but it's still pretty hot, so fruity scents are still really good to melt right now. Cranberry orange, cranberry marmalade, marshmallow smoothie. So this was kind of something I wanted to do for fall, kind of holiday time period. I feel like cranberry is a great scent for the holiday season, fall and winter. And it smells so good. The cranberry marmalade, it must be the cranberry marmalade, kind of has a little hit, not spicy, like cinnamon spicy, but kind of, there's just like a baking spice undertone or something like that. But it's good. It's like tart and sweet. It is so good. And you get kind of the orangey citrus note, but it's kind of like a bakery orange. So as opposed to being a bright summery orange, if that makes any sense. So there's 4 of those. I probably shouldn't be putting them all in front of the camera. There's not going to be enough room for everything. This one is hot apple pie, blueberry cobbler, and waffle cone. Again, this was one that I thought would be good for fall. I love the red, white, and blue. It's so pretty. Let me show you. This one is less smudgy, so you can see that. Isn't it pretty? Such beautiful wax. And these muffins, you can definitely cut in half and get at least 2 melts out of. Oh, this smells so good. This is like baked apple, but without the cinnamon. So there's no cinnamon or spice. And then I can smell the blueberry cobbler, which is just a creamy, rich blueberry, and then the waffle cone. I can't really smell, I get a little bit of waffle cone, just a hint of that kind of, like if you go into an ice cream parlor and they're cooking or making the waffle cones for ice cream, you know how sometimes you get that aroma? It's just a faint, faint aroma of that waffle cone. This is fantastic. This is definitely one I'm going to enjoy as the weather cools off a bit. Oh, there's the 4th one for that. And then one more set of muffins. This is grapefruit, orange revival, vanilla bean Noel. I love their grapefruit. It is very authentic, bitter grapefruit, which I love. I love their orange revival. It's just a bright, beautiful, citrusy orange. And then the vanilla bean Noel, I thought would just kind of go ahead and add some sweetness to it, even though I like them both the way they are. Yeah, this is fantastic. You get the grapefruit, but then you get like kind of the sweet, bright, fresh orange. And then there's just that sweetness from the vanilla bean Noel. Oh, it is so good. This one is great. So there's what that one looks like. And just to give you guys an idea, I have my scale here, so I'll weigh one of these muffins for you, so you kind of know how big they are. So that one I just showed you, it's 3 ounces. If I put all 4 on the scale, it's 11.8 ounces, so almost 12 ounces. So you're getting a really good deal for these muffins. And I love that they're individually bagged, because then you use one at a time. You don't have to worry about rebagging or having these big messy bags with these muffins. So I'll be back with kind of the next round of items I bought. Next, I have my bakery bags. I got 4 that are there, like some of their house blends, and then I got 2 bags of brittle, one for blending and one for me to just try. So I'll just start with the brittle. This is strawberry raspberry guava. I had this sent from other vendors and I love it, so I wanted to give theirs a try. And this is how the brittle looks when you get it. So it's not going to be all chunky. It is a little bit cheaper. I think it's it was $8 for 8 ounces. And so it is less expensive because, you know, it's quicker for them to make the brittle. So, oh, I should smell it. And it smells just like strawberry raspberry guava that I've smelled from other vendors. It smells fantastic. So I'm going to do a quick do the quick weight on it. So that's like 8.3 ounces. So, yep. And then I also got brittle in marshmallow smoothie. This is actually for blending, and you will see in a little bit which one I plan on blending this with. So that's what it looks like, and it is strong. This marshmallow smoothie is so good. Oh, it is super sweet, super like creamy, very, very yummy. So I'm gonna weigh that one too real quick. So that's 8.5 ounces. So you get a good amount for what you pay. So then the house blends. The first one is Alice in Wonderland, and I'm sure you guys, if you've been watching my videos, know that I'm in love with Honeydew Cotton Candy right now, and this is their Honeydew Cotton Candy. I'm not sure if it's cotton candy or cotton candy frosting, which I think cotton candy frosting is just supposed to be, you know, I think a sweeter, richer version, but this just smells fantastic. Of course, you get the honeydew. Oh, it smells so good. And then the sweet cotton candy. So this is what it looks like. It's beautiful chunks, and it smells fantastic. So since I just got this not even a week ago, I do need to let everything cure. But that bag is 8.5 ounces as well. I'm just gonna leave them open right now. And I got raspberry coconut cream pie. I should have had these open before I started doing this part. This one has 4 like bigger chunks in it, and it has that yummy tart raspberry of theirs, and then the like creamy sweet coconut. So good. I don't right now pick up any kind of a pie crust note, but it smells good. It smells kind of like it's a sweet tart bright raspberry with the creamy sweet coconut. Very good. Next is Koopa Troopa Salt. I do not remember the scent description for this one. I do know it has their sweet lemon confection in it. And like fruitiness. So to me, the like sweet lemon confection is basically like lemon curd but sweeter. Oh, this is what the chunk looks like. I was sniffing it. So it's really pretty, but I feel like there's like 4 different scents in this one, and I wish I knew what it was. But you definitely get the lemon up front. And then there's just like a sweetness. Maybe like there's berry notes in this, but I can't pick up the specific ones. I really should have looked up that scent description, but sorry about that. And then next is Kaylin's Berry Patch, and I first tried this one when I got a when I did a swap with Angie. She sent me a chunk in this one, and it is so good. It's just like a nice bright fresh kind of berry note. To me, it is two-toned, if you can see that. I have it upside down, but it's like kind of like a pink and a red, or like 2 different color pinks. This is so good. To me, it actually has, it's like I think there's strawberry in here. I can smell strawberry. But then there's also kind of a, not like effervescent or fizzy, but a little bit of that kind of tickle your nose type scent in here. To me, I don't know. And there's got to be other berries in here. Maybe it's raspberry. It's probably like the raspberry sauce and strawberry. So maybe it's like a tart note that I'm smelling. But it's really good. Love that one melted. I think that one too, when it melts, it really develops a lot on the scent. So these are the bakery bags I got. I will be back with the next set of items. I bought 3 loaves in this order. These are all ones that I blended. Off the top of my head, I feel like they probably did have loaves in some of their house blends, but I don't recall. These are all ones I just blended on my own for ones that I thought for sure I was going to really love, and I do love them all. So I will go ahead and start with this one on the left. So this is what it looks, I'm losing chunks. Yep. So of course little pieces will fall off, you know, the shipping process. These are big and heavy, so But this first one is Pink Sands Honeydew Melon and Whipped Cream. Again, I'm in love with Honeydew Melon right now, and with the Pink Sand, it's so good. So now this is a house blend of theirs. It's one of their Grease ones. Love is a Mini Splendid thing, I believe, and I had a chunk in that one that I think I got in a flash sale, and I loved it. But when they opened, I knew I wanted it in either a loaf or a pie, and they didn't have it in the larger items. They only had it, I think, in a bag. And so I felt like for the ounces you get, it's cheaper to get a loaf than to get 2 bags or whatever. You get more for your money. So I'm just gonna leave that there. But so anyhow, it's beautiful chunks. I tried pulling one out, but I think they may not be cut all the way through. So, and plus wax is getting everywhere. But this smells fantastic. To me, it's just such a relaxing, soothing scent. And what I love is that they pre-cut their loaves for you, so you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you get 12 pieces. So this is supposed to be like 16 ounces. You get 12 pieces, so it's a little bit over an ounce per piece, and so I think that's like the perfect size for melting. Smells fantastic, so I'm super excited to have that one. And it's one I'll probably get again when they open again, because I know it's going to be a while before they open. So this middle one, it's so pretty. I love the colors, the pink and the lavender and the white. Okay, so this is Pink Chiffon Lavender Birthday Cake. And so this one, I had actually, this blend, I had tried from another vendor, that it was one, I had just like individual tarts and I blended them myself, and it was Pink Chiffon with sweet lavender marshmallow birthday cake or something like that. So the only thing that this one is missing is the marshmallow. However, it smells fantastic. It doesn't need the marshmallow, because you can smell the Pink Chiffon. The lavender is definitely, I think, the strongest note, but the Pink Chiffon and the birthday cake just helps sweeten it. Oh, it's so good. I don't know. I'm going to see if I can try and pull out. Yeah, I'm not going to be able to pull out a chunk. The whole thing, I think it's like stuck together, see, it'll lift up. But, so this is fantastic. Smells so good. This is definitely one that I love to melt at night in my room when I'm going to sleep. Lavender and honeydew scents. Well, lavender and then honeydew, not together. I have not tried that combination, lavender and honeydew. I don't know how that would be. And then the last one of the loaves. This one got a little bit more beat up, I think, in the shipping process. But this one is strawberry jam, peppermint, vanilla ice cream. I love peppermint, so I'm always looking for yummy stuff to mix with it. And I think I got this idea from someone else posting it, but it's so good. It's just like nice and sweet mint. And the strawberry, it's not like you can say distinctly this is strawberry. It's just like a sweet, there's a sweet fruity note, and there's that creamy vanilla ice cream. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. So this is definitely a yummy scent. I think this would even be one that would be good for melting at night. I love melting peppermint at night as well. And sometimes I love to do like straight up peppermint, but sometimes it's nice to have something kind of sweet mixed in. So these are the loaves I got. I'm in love with them. I can't wait to let these, you know, to start melting. So I'm going to have a tough time waiting for them to cure. I may melt 1 or 2 here or there. We'll see. But I'll be back with the last couple items. The last couple things I got were 2 pies. These were for ones that I knew I was just going to absolutely love. So the first one, well, at first I love the way they come bagged. So they're pre-cut pie slices, and you get 4 in a bag, and these are nice thick bags, so I had no problems with breakage or anything like the bags ripping or tearing and shipping. And they do look messy, and again, it's because I've like been playing with them. Not really playing, but you know, moving them around a lot. So beautiful chunks. So let me go ahead and leave that one there. This is in Strawberry Euphoria, which is definitely one of their popular scents. I've never tried it, but I love strawberry, so I was pretty much willing to take a risk on getting a whole pie in this one. Oops, I'm bumping my camera. Okay, so here is what it looks like. It is such a pretty color. There's like 2 shades of pink, the red, and then the white, and it's beautiful. And this is a secret blend. I mean, it's like a nice tart strawberry, but then there's like a creaminess to it. I feel like, I'm wondering if I'm picking up a little bit of a strawberry rhubarb. I don't know, but it's just supposed to be like their secret blend of a bunch of different strawberries, and it's really good. And you get, so in a whole pie, you get 8 of these slices, and I usually get 3 melts out of it. I usually cut like here, and then I cut the back in half. So I always get 3 melts. I say always like I've had tons of pies. This is the first time I've ever actually gotten a custom order, but I did get pie slices in a D-stash. So that's, you get 3 melts, so with 8 pieces, what is that, 24 melts, and the pies are $28. So it's a good deal. So if you really love a scent, you can get a pie in it. So that's the first one. Just kind of scooch that over a little bit. And then the second one, I will show you what it looks like first. It's beautiful. This one is in Circus Concession. So this, the reason I got this, well, one, I'm digging this scent. I don't like it from every vendor, but I did decide to get this one because from Sniff My Tarts, there is, and Rosegirls, they both have a scent called Under the Big Top, which is like one that they came up with together. And it's Circus Concession with marshmallow smoothie. And I loved it. I absolutely loved it. I got it in I got one chunk in a mystery box from Sniff My Tarts. And then with this order, I would have gotten Under the Big Top as a pie from Rosegirls, but they didn't have that option. So what I did is I got the Circus Concession, and then I got the brittle and the marshmallow smoothie, so I can add the marshmallow smoothie in if I feel like I need it. But the Circus Concession is Ooey Gooey Caramel, Macintosh Apple, Cotton Candy, and Funnel Cake, which that's the pretty standard circus blend that most vendors do. Now this one has a lot of crumbs on it, but the colors are just gorgeous. And yeah, it smells fantastic. You get the caramel apple is probably the strongest note. Yeah, you definitely get the caramel and apple. It smells good. It smells fantastic. It's nice and sweet and creamy. A little bit messy, but that's okay. How did these get so messy? I don't know if it's just because my apartment gets warm, so they get a little smudgy in the bag. But anyhow, so this is my Rosegirls order, my custom order from June. I think that it's going to be a while before they open still, because I think they took almost 300 orders, and I don't even know if they're halfway through that, and it's already been 3 months. So it's probably going to be at least another 3 months before they open. So I'm guessing they're probably not going to open till like the new year, till like January or something. But we shall see. So I'm super excited to have all this stuff, and I'm sure you will see some of these items in my upcoming melt videos. So thanks everyone for watching. Bye.